Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to convert image to PDF on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to convert your images to a PDF file, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Photos app here. Here you don't have to install any software or anything else. You have to simply select your files or your photos from here which you want to convert into PDF. So for example, I'm going to select some photos from here. So I have selected some photos. Once you have selected, you can select a single photo or you can select multiple photos you want. Then tap on the share option here. And here you just have to look for print option. So simply tap on print. We're not going to print any photo or anything else. You just have to tap on the share option again. And it will automatically create a PDF of your files, of your photos, which you have just selected. Now to save your PDF, you have to tap on Save to Files app. Select Save to Files, and here you have to select the folder or in which you want to save your file. So for example, I'm going to select this download option here. So you have to simply tap on save option, and once you have saved, your all photos will be saved as your own PDF. So now go back. You have to look for Files app in your iPhone. Simply open this Files app, and here go to browse and then select on iPhone here. So here the downloads folder which we have selected to save our PDF. Simply select or open the folder here, and here you will get the photo. Just tap on that, and you will get all the photos you have selected in a PDF file. Now, if you want to check that if it's a PDF file, tap on this icon or info icon here, and you can see that there's the kind of PDF document. So in this way, you can easily convert all of your images into PDF on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.